Mrs. Ulickney here. I'm here to help you with page 13 for your at-home math work. Remember, this week in math class, we practiced making a 10 to figure out some addition problems. So let's look at number 1 on page 13. It says, fill in the squares to find 9 plus 4. So let's look at our open number line. So we want to make a 10. So how do we go? We're starting with 9. You can see here. How do we make a 10 starting with 9? How many more do you need to get to 10? What would you put in the box? I hope you're thinking 1, because 9 plus 1 would give us 10. So we're going to break apart the 4 into 1 plus what? I hope you're thinking 3. So now we made our 10. We're breaking apart the 4 into 1 and 3. So now that we're at our 10, 10 plus 3 equals what? I'm going to draw all my dots in just because I love touch math. But 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 plus 4 equals what? I hope you're thinking 13. So remember, in class we use the 10 frame to make a 10. This is called our number line. You can also do this way, or you can break apart the number into 2 different numbers. Or you could even draw a 10 frame. Remember, in class we did it this way. We drew 2 10 frames. Remember, my drawings aren't very good. Okay. So remember, we started off with 9. So I would draw 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I am adding 4. And I'm breaking apart the 4 into 1 and 3. It takes 1 more to make a 10. But then I still have to add my 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And you can see here I broke apart my 4 into 1 and 3. And then if I count all of my counters, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. You can also draw your 10 frames to help you as well. Number 2 says, look at the open number line in problem 1. So we're looking at this. How would you change the numbers to show 9 plus 5? So now it's not 9 plus 4, it's 9 plus 5. So what would we break apart the 5 into? Think about, Bryce, making a 10. I'm going to draw our 10 frames. What could we break apart the 5 into? Drawing my 10 frames. Okay. So we are starting with how many? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Bryce, what can we break apart our 5 into? How many more do we need to make a 10? I hope you're thinking 1. So we'll break apart the 5 into a 1 and how many? 1 plus what gives you 5? I hope you're thinking 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's count. What does 9 plus 5 equal? We made a 10, so we can say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we know that 9 plus 5 equals 14. So it says, how would you change the numbers to show 9 plus 5? So you would change this. So here we had a 3. We would change this 3 to a 4. Okay? And then the sum, our answer, wouldn't be 13 anymore. it would be 14. So you could write, you would change the 3 to 4. Then change 13 to 14. Okay? I hope that makes sense. Okay, I hope this helped you with your math.